Assalamu alaikum students, welcome to online classes of Knowledge City Islamic School. I hope you will be fine and safe at your homes. Student, today in reception 1 class we will study the English. So open your books with me. Today our letter is N. Today our letter is N. So open your page number 72. Let's start the reading, student. This is N. We have two sounds, N and N. N and N. N needle, N net, N nest. Its sound is N. Its sound is N. Or its sound is N. N net, N nest, न निडल. निडल कहते हैं सुई को, नेट कहते हैं जाली को और नेस्ट कहते हैं घोंसले को. न नेट, न नेस्ट, न निडल. So student, you have to write the page of N by your. So you have to write this N, letter N here. Now come on page number 71. Now match and circle. Match and circle. Here we have N. So in small box, and you have to search out the letter N in big box and circle it. This is the needle, and you have to search out the needle in the big box and you have to circle it. This is letter A, and you have to search out the letter A on the big box and you have to circle it. Now come on next question. Color the picture that start with N. Student, now see the pictures what you have read. This is nest, this is net, and this is needle. So you have to color these three pictures because they start with letter N. Now come on page number 71. This is letter N. You have to trace the letter and you have to match the pictures which start with letter N. This is the picture of net, start with letter N. This is the picture of needle, start with letter N. This is the butterfly. It starts with letter B. This is the nest and it start with letter N. So you have to match the N with nest, needle and net. Okay student, now come on page number 74. Now circle the letter N in these words. In this page you have few words. So you have to search the letter N and you have to circle. Now look at this word. What is this? B-A-L, ball. No N is here, so we will not circle it any letter. N-est, nest. So here we have N, we will circle it. In, so we will circle it. Now in this we have S, we have to circle the letter. So in remaining words you have to search out the letter N and you have to circle it. So come on next page, page number 75. Student, in this page find the way to home by joining the letter A to N. What you have to do, you have to join the letter A, then you have what will come after A? B will come. So you will join letter A with B. So what will come after B? After B, K will come. So you have to join the letter K. After K, what will come? D will come after letter K. After D, what will come? Letter A. After A, what will come? Letter. So in this way, you have to join the letters and you have to come at home. I hope student you understand this and you have to do it by yourself. Take care students. Allah Hafiz.